story I'm going to do basically drama and hope y'all are doing well and having so much fun. So I posted this on my story asking y'all, do you want to hear a really fun Tinder story or do you want to know what to eat in the day? And y'all were like, eat in the day? No. Tinder, Tinder, Tinder. So I said, oh, okay. I won't take the call. Y'all made the call. So I'll get into it. So I turned 18 and I was really excited to do a lot of things. But then the beauty, coronavirus just happened to come and the lockdown happened. And 2 months in lockdown, I was like scrolling on Instagram and I was seeing stories of people going like, टिंडर पे हमें हमारा जीवन साथी मिला हमें हमारा जीवन साथी मिला साथी हमारा जीवन मिला I was like, yeah. That's how I will find my love on Tinder. Not believing that it's only for hookups. I was like, no, pyar. So I downloaded Tinder, made my profile, etc. was done. And it's like the first day, and for the weirdest one, I'm like, oh, wait. So I don't know who matches with me. Oh, so we have to match. Oh, it's going to be like, oh, telepathy and all's working. I was like, अच्छा, मुझे नहीं पता था. And then the fun part comes where I match with someone and my move is on. So my move is a feature on Tinder, which is I think on most apps, I think, if I'm not wrong, where the woman makes the first move. And it's more safe for her if she doesn't want to chat with someone, she doesn't chat with someone. So I was like, yeah. Feminism, जैसे आदमी औरत को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करता है, औरत को अच्छा लगता है, वैसे ही हम भी कॉम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे आदमी को. And I matched with this person with beautiful eyes, like genuinely pretty eyes. And let's call him Gabbu, because I wouldn't match with someone named Gabbu. So Gabbu, I go like, hey Gabbu, you have really pretty eyes. And Gabbu goes like, wait, you stay in this XYZ society. Let's call XYZ Bablu. So Gabbu tells me, you stay in Bablu society. And I was like, Bablu is my friend. I was like, what? Who did I match with? Wait. And then I go back to history where apparently Gabbu and I fought like 3 years ago about something. And Bablu got into society. And I met this Gabbu guy and I have zero memory to it. And it was so awkward. Like I've complimented a guy. Tum he. I'm like, no. Back, cancel, cut. And I'm like, okay, dude, damn awkward. I call Bablu and I'm like, Bablu. And he's like, Bablu is laughing. Gabbu and I are embarrassed. And then we were just like, no. And I unmatched immediately. I was like, say sorry. Within an hour of that, and this is like 6 hours me in like 6 to 7 hours Tinder, where I match, but I don't match with someone, a mutual person who I know, he sends me a screenshot of my profile and was like, hey look, I matched with you. And I was like, if I am going to meet the same people I know, why am I here? I'd find love in the people I know, but they're now not giving me that. And out of all this chaos, I was like so embarrassed. I was like, oh my god, I'm matching with people I know. And then I was like, no, toodles, bye Tinder. And then I uninstalled Tinder. मेरा पहला प्यार अधूरा रह That was me. And then I installed Hinge, which is another dating. But yeah. But all in all, it was a good, bad experience. Never downloading Tinder again. Tinder is only for hookups. I'm sorry. I thought I'd find out there too. But okay, guys, this was my story. Tell me your story in the comment section below. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you like this one. See you all next time. Love you.